Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my music visualizer backgrounds. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to make them green. This video is at the request of JDoggy4207, aka Jason B. The link for his channel will be in the description below, so here we go. We're going to right click and open with paint.net, or you can actually just drag the image file. I just went on Google and looked up background, and that was it. So now we're just going to drag and drop this onto the paint.net icon, and that should open up the image with paint.net. Okay, so now once your background image is loaded up, we're going to zoom out just a little bit with this indicator right here. It's got a magnifying glass, a plus and a minus. I just pressed the minus one. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add a vignette to this. So we're going to go to Effects and Photo, and then Vignette. Now there are certain plugins that I have for Paint.net, so don't be alarmed if you're seeing something here, but I'm not going to use anything in this tutorial that will require a plugin download. So I just leave it at the basic, what it automatically adjusts to. So the radius 0.50. So you can actually make this wider or smaller according to how you want your image to look. We're just going to move the window over to the side here, and then you can adjust the strength of it, so pretty much the opacity of the vignette effect. So I just leave that at 100, or what it normally is. I think it's like 90, 95. So I'm going to bring the radius back out to where it was. There we go. Press OK. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to Adjustments, and I'm going to go to Black and White. So we're going to make it black and white for the purpose of this video, and then we're going to go down to Adjustments again, and then Temperature Tint. So what I would do is take the temperature slider, move it all the way over to the right, and that's going to make it a little orange looking. You press OK, and now go back to Adjustments once again, and then Hue and Saturation. So now what we're going to do here is we're going to bring the saturation slider all the way up, and then change the hue to whatever color you want. So for the purpose of this video, we're doing lime green. So move the slider a little bit over to the right. Now it looks lime green. And we're going to press OK. Now what we're going to do is go to Adjustments, Brightness and Contrast, and we're going to turn the contrast up just a tad bit, like that. Press OK. We're going to go back to Effects because I feel like the vignette is not strong enough, so we're going to go right back to Photo and Vignette. It should display the default options. There we go, and we'll press OK. So the default is 97. Well, no, that wasn't the default, but this is... Okay, so sorry about that. That was a misinterpretation on my part. So that's not the default settings. I just overlaid the same vignette effect twice. So now, what you want to do is you want to press File, and then Save, and then you would normally save your image, but I'm not going to save that for the purpose of this video. But anyways, that's pretty much how I make my visualizers. And like I said, you can go back to Adjustments, Hue and Saturation. And, well, we don't need to adjust, bring the saturation up for this one. But you can change it to whatever color you like. There's red. There's purple. There's blue. And there you go. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you liked the video. And then I will see you in the next one.